Hey guys, Jennifer Priest here, and I'm super excited that you're watching this video today because what it means is that you're interested in Social Media Marketing World, the world's top conference on social media, everything social media that there is to offer. Now I'm putting the finishing touches on my presentation and getting ready to head to the conference soon. And I was sharing this with my membership and they were like, oh my God, we had no idea that you could actually go to the conference without going to the conference. So today I'm going to share with you my top 10 reasons why you should grab the virtual ticket to Social Media Marketing World. Yes, it's next week. Yes, it's in San Diego, but guess what? You don't have to actually be there to get all of the information and benefits. So let's jump right in and I'll share with you what it's all about. Reason number one to grab the virtual ticket for Social Media Marketing World is you can save on travel. Now, if you are far away, it's going to be really expensive to fly into San Diego. I happen to be in driving distance, but I got to tell you, once you get there, you still got to pay for your hotel and they are not cheap. Now, they've negotiated a great rate, but I got to tell you, hotels are expensive, especially if you're in a downtown area on the bay, on the water, like Social Media Marketing World is. So you can save thousands of dollars literally on travel by buying the virtual ticket and still get all the same world-class information. Reason number two is no childcare costs. So if you're worried about like, oh my gosh, this is during the week, I can't have my husband take off work, or who's gonna watch the kids, or we've gotta hire a nanny, you don't gotta do any of that, because if you have the virtual ticket, you can watch the recordings at your own pace when you need them. Now, here's a really cool benefit that somebody from my membership shared with me. She just bought the virtual ticket literally today, and she was like, guess what, Jennifer? I get access to all of the same networking Facebook groups for different specific topics like messenger bots or Instagram marketing or anything that you're into. You get access to all of those same Facebook groups with the virtual ticket as everyone else who has the regular ticket. So you can still do all of that stuff, connect with people, share, and you don't even have to be there. And I got to tell you something, Social Media Marketing World, the All Access Pass is my absolute favorite ticket because I've gone, this will be my third year. I love, love, love the conference. But if you buy the virtual ticket, it actually costs less than taking a course. One course, and you're going to get to learn from so many different amazing people on so many different topics. There's no way that you could buy a course for this amount of money that the virtual ticket costs. So you're going to save a ton on all the information that you're going to get, and it's going to cost way less than any course. Reason number 5 is you can download it. That is true. So I hired my nephew to do this for me, and once you download it, it's yours. Like, you have it forever. You don't have to worry about logging into the portal again. So I literally paid my nephew to do a little extra work for me and download all the sessions. So what it looks like is when you sign up for the virtual ticket, you get access to the recording of the session, the audio recording of the session. So you've got the video and then the audio recording of the session, and the slides, which are a PDF. Now you can download the audio and the slides. And so I have them in a Dropbox folder so that anytime throughout the year, I can listen to them when I need them. And whether or not the portal goes away for the virtual ticket, I still have all that data and information stored so I can access it anytime. Now, keep in mind, the recordings aren't going to be available immediately. They've got to have a little bit of time to render them and put them together. But I got to tell you, I got to give props to the Social Media Marketing World team. Every year that they have said that they're offering this, they have delivered everything early. Now, I'm not trying to make a promise on their behalf, but I'm going to tell you they are on time, if not early, with delivering this stuff. So you're going to get this information really fairly quickly compared to a lot of other conferences. Reason number 6 is you can listen all year long. And you guys, I gotta tell you that I totally do this. While I'm washing laundry, I'm in the car driving to get the kids from school, I'm, what else do I do? Oh, on the plane, I download those audios from my Dropbox and I listen to them. So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna work on my LinkedIn this week. I'm gonna listen to my LinkedIn sessions from Social Media Marketing World. So whatever I'm working on in my business, I can listen to that all year long. Some sessions I'll listen to multiple times because they're just so packed with like juicy, amazing info that I really need to hear it twice. And I got to tell you, a lot of us are super passionate about social media. We talk fast. So sometimes I'll listen to a session from somebody 2 times because I need to hear it 2 or 3 times in order to get all the juicy info that they've packed in there. And that's one of the things that happens at conferences. They're 2 or 3 days long. You're kind of taking in this fire hose of information, which is amazing and inspiring and super exciting, but you kind of miss things because you kind of get brain overload, right? Your brain gets full. So by having the virtual ticket, you can listen all year long without having the overload. You can just take that one 45-minute session and then pull out what you need from that. Reason number 7 is you get world-class information first. And I got to tell you, the folks at Social Media Marketing World do such a good job at Social Media Examiner, who runs the conference. They do such a good job of vetting their speakers and making sure that we are going to bring our A game to our speaking gig. So making sure that we have citations and stats and all those things, but also that what we say actually works. And so you're going to get the newest information because they've challenged all of the speakers to give the advanced information that we have. So we're not giving you our old stuff. We're not giving you like stuff that doesn't work. We're not giving you stuff that's like not in our secret vault. This is where a lot of the speakers are pulling out that super secret sauce and sharing it with you. And one of the places that I get the best information is the Q&As. And this is what I love about the sessions. Most sessions are 35 to 40 minutes long, and then there's a Q&A at the end. And that's where I find a lot of the golden nuggets. Is the presenter has their information, they're presenting in a certain way, but usually people in the audience are advanced social media marketers. So they're asking really challenging questions. So you're going to get these off the cuff, for real type answers from the speakers. That's all the best juicy information that you're going to be able to use right now. And you just can't get that in a class setting or a Facebook Live or something else where they're really kind of more calculated. You're going to get those real answers from them at the ends of each of those sessions during the Q&A. Now, here's another little sneaky bonus is freebies from speakers. Now, usually when somebody is speaking, and this includes me if I'm speaking at a conference, we give freebies, checklists, guides, case studies, any kind of stuff that we think is going to help you with implementing the stuff that we've just shared in our training. So when you sign up for the virtual ticket, you still get access to all of that stuff because it's right in their presentation. So whether they're telling you to text a certain number to get a PDF download, or they're saying go visit a landing page on their site to get a resource guide, etc., you'll still get all of that. Even if they have an exclusive discount, you'll still get all of that with the virtual ticket. Now, reason number 9, I feel like is the most important of all. You get the learning when you need it. So Social Media Marketing World covers so many different areas. We've got Pinterest, which is kind of my baby, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, video, blogging, like so much stuff. You don't need all of it today. Maybe this week, what you're working on is your Pinterest strategy. So then you can listen to the sessions just on Pinterest and learn and get the information when you need it, instead of going to a conference and getting all the information you think you might need over the next year. Now you can pace it out and spread it out and pace yourself to get that learning and implement it right when you need it. Now, reason number 10, and this is my best reason, especially for those of you that are like, oh, I don't know if I should go to a conference. I don't know if this conference is for me. I don't know if it's good. Test drive the conference through the virtual ticket. The virtual ticket will help you understand what kind of information you're going to be getting, the quality of the speakers, the types of questions that are being asked, what kind of answers you're going to be getting from them, etc. So you get to experience a piece of the conference without going to the whole thing to see, hey, is this something I want to invest in next year to do the full all access ticket? And I cannot tell you guys enough that I absolutely recommend that full access ticket. I think it's the absolute best. But if you're in a situation where you're like, I can't get to San Diego, I don't know if it's for me, I'm not sure what information I need right now, I don't know if I'm at the right level, any of those things where you're like, I'm not sure that this is something I can commit to, the virtual ticket is a great way to take a test drive, essentially, a long-term, year-long test drive of the information to see, is this something I want to invest in next year? Now, are you ready to level up? Well, you need that virtual ticket. So click the link down in the video description to sign up with my affiliate link. So that means I get a little kickback if you guys purchase through my link. Sign up with my affiliate link and snag that ticket, because I got to tell you, the prices go up like every week leading up to the conference. And you definitely want to get in now, because what happens is if you buy the ticket now, you can lock in early bird pricing for next year. So the way that Social Media Marketing World does this is they offer their early bird pricing at the conference only to people who are currently registered. So that's how I get my ticket for like a fraction of the cost of what everyone else is paying right now, because we get super duper early bird access, but it's only for people who are attending the conference. And guess what? As a virtual ticket holder, you'll get that offer in your email as well. So it'll come right in your email. So even if you're not at the conference, you're not seeing the keynotes at that moment, you'll still get the email with that access. So again, if you're thinking about taking it for a test drive or you're thinking about going next year, this is a great way to lock in the ticket. Even if you bought the virtual ticket this year and the early bird price for next year for all access, it's still cheaper than buying the full conference ticket for this year. That's a little added benefit. So if you have any questions about social media marketing world, like I said, this will be my 3rd year attending. I'm speaking at this conference. Definitely hit me up in the comments and I will give you my 100% honest feedback. This is the one conference that I invest in year after year to go to, that I will pay out of pocket to go to, because it is that good. So hit me with the hard questions and I'd be happy to answer them. Now, if you thought that this video was helpful, or you have a friend that you think really would love to level up their social media, hit that share button and share it with them. And if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button so you'll get more smart, creative social videos like this.